10 Essential Email Marketing Tips for Increasing Open Rates and Conversions. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of email marketing, and we have some valuable tips to share with you. If you're looking to increase your open rates and conversions, you've come to the right place. Let's jump right in. Tip number 1. Crafting attention-grabbing subject lines. Tip number 1. Craft attention-grabbing subject lines. Your subject line is the first thing recipients see, so make it compelling and enticing. Use personalization, curiosity, and urgency to pique their interest and motivate them to open your email. Tip number 2. Segmenting your email list. Moving on to tip number 2, segment your email list. Not all subscribers have the same interests, so tailoring your emails to specific segments will result in higher engagement. By sending targeted content to the right people, you'll see a significant increase in open rates and conversions. Tip number 3. Optimizing email content for mobile. Tip number 3. Optimize your email content for mobile devices. With more people checking their emails on smartphones, it's crucial to ensure your emails are mobile-friendly. Use responsive design, clear fonts, and concise content that fits perfectly on smaller screens. Tip number 4. Personalization and automation. Tip number 4. Embrace personalization and automation. Leverage data to personalize your emails based on subscriber preferences, behavior, and demographics. Additionally, automate your email campaigns to deliver relevant content at the right time, maximizing engagement and conversions. Tip number 5. A/B testing. Moving on to tip number 5, A/B testing. Experiment with different elements of your email campaigns, such as subject lines, call to action buttons, or even the layout. By testing and analyzing the results, you can optimize your emails for better open rates and conversions. Tip number 6. Clear and compelling call to action. Tip number 6. Include a clear and compelling call to action. Make it easy for recipients to take the desired action by using attention-grabbing buttons, clear instructions, and persuasive language. A strong call to action can significantly impact your conversion rates. Tip number 7. Timing and frequency. Moving on to tip number 7. Pay attention to timing and frequency. Find the optimal time to send your emails based on your target audience's behavior. Additionally, be mindful of how often you send emails to avoid overwhelming your subscribers or being forgotten. Tip number 8. Consistent branding. Tip number 8. Maintain consistent branding throughout your email campaigns. Use your logo, color scheme, and tone of voice to create a recognizable and trustworthy brand identity. Consistency builds trust and loyalty among your subscribers, leading to improved open rates and conversions. Tip number 9. Engaging and relevant content. Moving on to tip number 9. Focus on engaging and relevant content. Provide value to your subscribers by delivering informative, entertaining, and useful content. Tailor your emails to their needs and interests, and they'll be more likely to open, read, and convert. Tip number 10. Monitoring and analyzing results. Host. Last but not least, tip number 10. Monitor and analyze your email marketing results. Keep track of key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Use this data to identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions to optimize your future email campaigns. post. And that wraps up our 10 essential email marketing tips for increasing open rates and conversions. We hope you found these tips helpful and that they bring you success in your email marketing efforts. Like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.